Welcome to Queenly Conversations. Today's lesson is saying hello and introducing yourself. Let's start. Hello.
Hi,
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks.
That's good to hear.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What's your name?
My name is David. What's your name?
My name is Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too, David. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Really? Which city are you from?
I'm from Hanoi, and you?
I'm from London, England.
Wow, London is a famous city.
Yes, it is. Have you ever been to London?
No, I haven't, but I'd love to visit someday.
That's great. Do you like living in Hanoi?
Yes, I do. Hanoi is beautiful and very busy.
What do you like about Hanoi?
I like the food, the people, and the culture.
That sounds wonderful.
That's interesting.
What do you like about London?
I live with my parents and my younger sister.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, very close.
Tell me about your family.
Do you enjoy living alone?
That's nice. Are you close to your family?
That's great.
I'm happy to hear that.
I'm an office worker.
What about you? Do you live with your family?
I work for a technology company.
No, I live alone.
Yes, I enjoy my work.
Do you enjoy living alone?
I've worked there for 3 years.
That's great.
Yes, what about you?
So, David, what do you do?
Really, how long have you been teaching?
Really? What company do you work for?
Do you enjoy teaching?
That sounds exciting.